Hey guys, I just want to share with you a fun detail that we're going to do on a project. Now, this is an elevation of a current project that's in the framing stage. We're about to do mechanicals, and we're mapping out the stairs. And there's a couple changes that we're able to make, and I can go over this in another video. But you see this beam right here? Well, essentially, this is a double LVL, and we also made the whole floor system LVL. So instead of open web trusses. And the reason is we're doing a cantilever off the back. What that enables us to do is eliminate this column right here. And since we're getting rid of this column, we decided to kind of revisit the way the stairs are going to be made. So there's a wall on the back over here, and this is basically a set of stairs that goes from the basement floor all the way to the main level. And one of the challenges that we have is there's really not a lot of width. We have maybe like 38, 39 inches. And with this handrail coming in, so this handrail, actually this guardrail would have to come all the way up inside this beam and wrap around to the top for the landing. And that was going to cut down on the space. So what we decided to do is add a glass panel here instead. So I'm going to do a quick takeoff and I'm using the Howell's takeoff tool. It's really easy. I uploaded the plans to Howell. So I'm just going to draw a polygon real quick because what we're trying to do is figure out the square footage so we can get a real quick quote from our glass vendor. And we're going to square off these stairs. So these are going to be shop built stairs because it's going to be a straight run down, and the skirt board is going to go all the way up. And the reason is we're going to have a glass panel sit right on top of that. So the glass panel is going to go into the shaded area. I clicked on the polygon tool for doing a quick takeoff. So as you can tell, it's going to go right on top of the stringer. We go and click at the top. Come over and go straight down. I'm going to hit enter. It didn't quite line up. That gives you an idea of where the glass panel is going to go. And the takeoff tool is showing that this shaded area right here is around 50 square feet. So I'm going to send that over to our glass manufacturer, get a quick quote just to get it approved by the homeowner. And here's an idea of what it's going to look like. So this is not really the area that we're trying to demonstrate. We're trying to show that this area below the stairs, you can see it's a large glass panel. So the same concept. We're going to be basically going to a shower door company. They're going to template the opening once we have the stairs in place. I don't believe we're going to use these clips. We're probably going to use a rail going all the way down. So what I want to do is have this track that goes on the top and the bottom hold the glass in place, potentially on the sides as well. I have to talk to the glass manufacturer, see what the options are. But really the goal is to basically have a large sheet of glass, potentially two sheets. I'm not sure how large they can make it. And let's look at the dimensions real quick. So really we've got two different dimensions here. From top to bottom, it's around 8 feet. And from side to side, it's around, let's just call it 12 and a half feet. So 8 by 12 and a half. We'll see if they can actually make something that size. And since this is going into an opening next to the stairs, this has to be tempered glass as well. So just want to see if that's a possibility of that being tempered. So hope you guys enjoy this video. This is part of a series on this particular house. We're going to launch pretty soon all of these steps we took to get to this point, which is the pouring of the foundation, how we did the insulation. We're wrapping the whole house with rock wool insulation. So take a look at that and we will show you how this installation goes. And if you want to make sure that you don't miss any of the updates for this particular project, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks again.